Hey guys, welcome to the Modest Model channel where I show you how I dress modestly. I'm super excited today because today is the very first video that I get to post. I've been talking about starting a YouTube channel for like ever. Now I have the opportunity to do so, so I'm very happy about that. A little bit about me. I go by Rose. I am a freelance model. I love fashion, design, style, decorum, you name it. I have a shoe fetish. I have a lot of shoes. You guys may see that a little bit later, but today what I would like to do is a little bit of an unboxing. Clearly it's opened, but they're still in the same box, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of shoes that I received from Shoedazzle. I'm also going to pair them with a few outfits just so that you guys have, you know, a few ideas in regards to what you could possibly wear this summer, what you got going, and things of that nature too. So I'm looking forward to that. Also, before we get into anything else, if you could go ahead and click that button below and subscribe. That way you don't miss any videos that are upcoming in the near future. Also, if you'd like to follow me at beauty_by_rose, I would greatly appreciate that too, and I follow back. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now, I'm sure you guys seen this outfit before. This is my all-time fave. All-time fave. I call this the ode to Audrey. If anybody know Audrey Hepburn, she's really big on the, you know, the high-waisted pants and the culottes, very clean, vibrant colors. She always had turtlenecks on. Everything looks put together, and she was completely covered the entire time. Also, she pretty good at wearing these type of shoes too. Some were penny loafers, some just call them, what are they called actually specifically? No, there's no name for them, but if you can take a look. Now, let me stand up for you guys. You're just taking, you know, a walk in the park, or you're at a business meeting, or even a dinner date. Throw some heels on outside of these pink, what are these called? Guys, this is gonna bother me because I know the name of it, I just can't remember it. But if you know the name of these type of shoes, not the specific brand, but these type of shoes, please let me know because I can't remember for the life of me. Now, I do believe that these will go really well with some black strappy heels. Also, if you saw in the other post that I had on a peach trench coat. If you want a splash of color, but you still want that elegant feel, this would be the ideal outfit for you. So, I'm going to show you a couple of things that were in this box right here. The box that I unboxed already. These are one of my faves that just came in. These are a closed-toe blush pink pump shoe with the cutouts on the side, and it ties up in the front. Very cute. You guys are going to love the outfit that I pair with this. Okay? Also, move that out of the way, I have these beauts. They look so much better on the toes or on the foot of someone, but if you can tell, there's shoelaces in the back and the front. So it ties up in the back and the front. The heel, the back of the heel is out, and it is also peep toe. This shoe is a beauty, and I can't wait to unveil the outfit I have for it. You guys are gonna love that too. Stay tuned. Look, I walked in them already. That's what it's for, right? Oh, these. Listen, I saw that Beyonce, yeah, I love the way she dresses. I saw Beyonce with a pair of these suede beauties on. I had to have a pair. I had to. They feel good. You're going to the club, nice little dinner, and you're trying to kill it. You want to kill it? This is the one you want to use. This is the pump. It's lavender suede, closed toe, high heel pump. Beautiful. Can't wait to show you guys what I have planned for this one either. It's so exciting, you know? Also, along with the Ode to Audrey, if you want to dress it up, like I said, you can put on the black strappy heels. You can wear these type of, I call them black eyed peas for lack of the better term. And they're also patent leather, guys, just so you know. You can switch it up and put some glasses on. More sophisticated, more business appropriate. Cute, huh? So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get to those outfits. It'll more so be me talking about the outfits so you guys get a better understanding of how they look and how we operate and the best times to wear them. But here we go. Here I am looking summery in this beautiful canary yellow midi ribbed dress from Fashion Nova. This color looks amazing on my skin and is a great pair to the double shoelace stilettos that I showed you guys a little bit earlier. Don't worry, I'll drop the link to the dress in the description below so that you'll be able to find it. For the blush pumps, I sprung for something more simple yet classy with the white Oxford dress. The thing I love most about this dress is the simplicity of it. Sometimes you just gotta let the shoes talk, and this ensemble did just that. Very simple. I love it. This floral cutout dress is the perfect number for these velvet pumps. If you can't tell, there are little lavender flowers on the dress, making these heels like the best accent. They're so pretty. I should have worn an anklet. Would have been another accent, another pretty one. We should do that. But yeah, I love this outfit. So there you have it. Hopefully my fashion finds were to your liking. Do me a favor, comment below your favorite outfit as well as your favorite pair of shoes. Also let me know if you felt like they could have been switched up a little bit. If you felt like one of the pairs of shoes could have been paired better with one of the outfits that I chose, then let me know. We can switch it up and see how it works from there. Any shop that you would like me to take a look at, boutiques, I love online boutiques. If you would like me to take a look at them, let me know in the comments and I'm already there, Thank you for the 10 subscribers that I currently have. I'm super excited about that. People, like, you got 10 subscribers, like, why are you so happy? People want to follow me, and people want to watch me. That makes me feel great. I'm honored. Continue to spread the word. Like, comment, share. Let everybody else know about Modest Model so we can get a lot of things going here. Pay no attention to the back. We're actually in the process of getting those things taken care of and, thrown up and a little bit of an area going for me from now on. So hopefully it looks a little bit different on the next video. Also, like I said, my Instagram handle is beautyby_a_rose. If you like to follow me, that's great. I follow back. And I love you guys. Until next time.